The 2025 Toyota Century represents a bold new era of luxury and innovation, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. Its exterior design is a masterpiece of understated elegance. The long, sculpted body features a redesigned grille with intricate detailing, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give the car a commanding, yet refined presence. The smooth contours and flowing lines emphasize sophistication, while the large wheels and chrome accents add a touch of grandeur. Every detail on the outside reflects Toyota's commitment to perfection. As we move to the interior, the Century truly shines as the pinnacle of luxury. The cabin is a haven of comfort, offering plush leather seats that are power-adjustable, heated, and ventilated. Rear passengers are treated to reclining seats with massage functions, complete with a touchscreen control panel to manage climate, lighting, and entertainment settings. The dashboard features premium wood and metal accents, while the infotainment system boasts a large, high-resolution display with seamless smartphone integration. Noise-canceling technology ensures a serene ride, making it the ideal environment for both relaxation and productivity. Under the hood, the 2025 Century offers a hybrid powertrain, combining a powerful V6 engine with an electric motor for smooth, efficient performance. The ride is whisper quiet, and advanced suspension technology ensures every journey feels effortless. Toyota's latest safety features, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, come standard. Prices for the 2025 Toyota Century start at $170,000, reflecting its unparalleled craftsmanship and advanced features. Whether you're behind the wheel or enjoying the rear seat experience, the Century delivers an unmatched blend of tradition, innovation, and luxury, setting a new standard for the automotive world.